The Philips Hue Go has really surprised me, and it's one of my most used gadgets of this month. It's a battery-powered portable Zigbee colored lamp. I'm going to tell you how I use this device in my smart home and 2 major issues that I have with this device. This lamp fits beautifully in if you have Philips Hue already in your home. It will work with the motion sensors, the switches. You can also easily add this to Home Assistant, so you can control it from there, or HomeKit or other smart home manufacturers. I primarily use this in 5 different places to change my newborn. So at night, I just point it where it needs to be pointed at so I can get everything clean without waking people up. This also helps with my toddler to actually get him to sleep. There's a cool candle effect that you can put on which mimics a candle, or a fireplace effect. You can also use this in dark spaces where I have my rack. Pair this with a contact sensor to turn it on only when the door is actually open and in use. And why not? You can have these as backdrop on your YouTube videos. So you can switch colors by simply tapping the button at the back. And to actually shut it off is super simple. You just hard press on the button. You can also have this as a focal point for your chest piece. The battery of this device is around 24 hours in night lamp, 2 to 3 hours of full brightness usage. The biggest grudge I have with this device is that you can't see the battery level on the Philips Hue app or in Home Assistant. Second main problem with this device is the price. It costs around £60. I know Govee has an alternative, but I have not tried it out yet. You'll find the full playlist for the 90-second videos right here. Let me know in the comment section down below which device you want me to review next.